let's go home. Now we are going to discuss about the next lesson, that is let's go home. This one is written by Caroline CO. Caroline CO. Caroline CO was born in Kolkata in 1936. Caroline is today. About the author we are going to discuss. Caroline CO was born in Kolkata in 1936 and had his schooling in Darjeeling. He has published two collections of stories. First one is A Small World. A Small World, 1960, and another one is Dragons. Another one is Dragons is going to be written by himself in 1977. These are the two publications, two collections by Caroline CO. He wrote a novel, only a novel, that is What a View. What a View. What a View. This is a novel. Novel means Kadambari. What a View. In that novel, he deals with the subtle shades of life in the northeastern region of India. Northeastern region of India. All his three books have been published by Writers Workshop in Kolkata. Workshop in Kolkata. This novel is all his three books. First one is A Small World. Second one is Dragons. Third one is a novel, that is a What a View. Those are published by Writers Workshop, Kolkata. Writer Workshop, Kolkata. Now, this is about the Caroline CO. This is about Caroline CO. According to Caroline, well, you know that he wrote some of stories, novels. Now, we thought that Caroline CO was an Indian English writer who belongs to Kolkata. He wrote novels and stories. He was a novelist, storyist, Caroline CO. Among his writings is one of the story, that is Let's Go Home. Let's go home. It means what? Let's means now. Now you want ready to go home. What is the title tells us? What the title tells us? It's very effective because of its casual tone and understatement. Here, the Caroline introduced us to the child's world. To the child's world. By this title, he is going to tell us about child's world. ಮಗುವಿನ ಜಗತ್ತು. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು Caroline CO, who belongs to Kolkata. Child's world, ಮಗುವಿನ ಜಗತ್ತು. When we heard this word, child's world, When we hear this, what kind of thoughts comes in the mind of ours? Yes, what kind of views or desires or feelings comes in the mind of while we are going to listen the word childs? What kind of mentality, what kind of thoughts is there in the mind of child? That one is going to express by Calvin CEO by his story. Let's go home. Let's go home is going to tell us what kind of a word is there in the mind of child. In the mind of child. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೆವಿಲಿಯರ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಜಗತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್, ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ is there in the mind of child is going to express by Calvin CEO. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಭಾವನೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮಗುವಿನ ವಿಚಾರಗಳೇನಿರ್ತವೆ, ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Here, this story is made up of concrete little things and acceptations of small pleasures. Small pleasures. Story is going to tell us the concrete little things and acceptations of small pleasures, and refuses to comment on the child's grip. Comment on the child's grip when he realizes that the foundation of his world has collapsed. World has collapsed. Collapse means destroyed. Collapse means destroyed. What this story is going to tell us about child's world? In the child's world, he is going to express about comment on the child's grip as well as the foundation of the world has collapsed. World has collapsed. This is about the brief explanation about let's go home. Here, how the child is made up of concrete little things and acceptations and pleasures going to explain or going to express by Calvin CEO by the story. Now we are going to start. It started when they were going to school in the school bus. Someone started to talk about marbles, and he was always so interested in marbles that as he listened, he began to forget. At first only a little, but as the fervor of the discussion increased. Yes, this scenario takes place when they were going to school in the school bus. Yes, is a child is going to school by school bus, by the school bus. At that time, what happened? Between the child, they are going to discussion takes place about the marbles. What is marbles? which are the small spherical toy made up of clay or a steel ಮೃದುವಾಗಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೀಲಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. But the child was every time interested in the marbles, that as he listened, he began to forget. At first only a little, but as the enthusiasm, excitement, fervor means excitement of the discussion increased. Just while they are going to discuss about the marbles, the excitement also increased, and the discussion is also increased. He joined in the talk, and it was then that he forgot completely, and afterwards he did not know how he could have forgotten like that. But perhaps it was not so strange after all. Everyone had always said he was too sensitive and so absent-minded at this age. When the discussion takes place in the verse, what kind of a mentality of the child is going to said by the Calvin CEO? That is, he was too sensitive as well as absent-minded. That two kind of quality is given by Calvin CEO. What kind of a child is there? The child is a sensitive as well as absent-minded at the age of 6 to 10. Perhaps it was he who was strange. Unknown. Strange means what? Unknown. It was he who was strange. The bus rolled in through the gates and crunched on the gravel. Yes, while that is moving, the bus moving through the gates and crunched on the gravel. Crunched means crushed on the gravel. Gravel on the gara ಅಥವಾ ಗರಸು means in mud. It was always the familiar crunch that told him they were in. They broke up and jumped out with their bags and boxes and outside as he stood waiting for the rest to come down. When the bus was crushed in the gravel, everyone students jumped out with their bags and boxes and outside as he stood waiting for the rest to come down. The morning hill air felt good and smelled cool. Smell means extract cool, clean and fresh, and the birds were chirping in the row of trees that ran along the gravel way. Here, when the bus crushed in the gravel, the every student came out by their bags and boxes, but only the guy is going to waiting there or going to think about come down, and that is the time of morning. Is there in a hill, air felt good and smelled cool, clean and fresh, and the birds were chirping in the row of trees that ran along the gravel way, then on the gravel way. When the last boy was out, when the last boy, one is waiting, one is going to think about how to come out, how to come down, what one who is a strange, one who is a strange, because he was sensitive as well as absent-minded, absent-minded. When the last boy was out, the bus rolled out of the gates again and they plunged along the gravel toward the stone entire porch. ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ the entire bus porch ಏನಾಯಿತು gravel ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ. As they went in, someone observed, why today's Saturday? Why today's Saturday? That kind of thought comes in the mind of the child, that why today's Saturday? Always like Saturday because the next day is Sunday. The next day is Sunday. Why that kind of a thought comes in the mind of a student? That is a pressure. That is a pressure. Or that kind of a thought in the mind of students. From Monday to Saturday, every student, every child should go to the school. But here, the one kind of a child is going to take space, is going to taken by the traveling soul. By his mentality, by his character, he is going to express what kind of a thought, what kind of a mentality of the child, why he want to go to the school. Is there in the mind of the child, that is why today is Saturday? If it is become Saturday, tomorrow is holiday. Because tomorrow is as well as Saturday is following the Sunday. That one is going to express by the cabin CEO. Always like a Saturday because the next day is a Sunday. Don't you? He answered, yes, he thought. When someone asked him, why not today is Saturday? If it is Saturday, that is the school is holiday. That kind of a thought is there in the mind of a child. So beautifully the story is going to describe by Calvin CEO. What kind of a mentality of the child is there according to the not only the days but also what kind of a thought comes in the mind of a child to go to school. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೇಳೆ ಆದಾಗ ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಸಿಇಒ. Because already I said, let's go with the title said that is about child's word, ಮಗುವಿನ ಜಗತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what kind of enthusiasm, what kind of mentality is there in the mind of while the child is going to leave the home to school after 4 o'clock? What kind of mentality or what kind of enthusiastic feelings is there in the mind of child when he return to home? This one is good. Whatever between that whatever happens in the everyday journey of the child is going to explained by the cabin CEO. ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಮಗು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇವು ಎರಡು ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಂತರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಈ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಗುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾವಿನ್ ಸಿಒ. ಕ್ಯಾವಿನ್ ಸಿಒ ಅಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಬ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂತ ಹುಡುಗ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಗು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತ ಆಸೆಗಳಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಭಾವನೆಗಳಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಗುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. At the two time, the first one is at the morning when you want to go to school, and the second one is when you return to home from the school. What kind of feeling, desires, or those kind of enthusiastic feelings is there in the mind of child is going to express by Calvin CEO. As they went in, someone observed, why today Saturday? Always like Saturday because the next day is Sunday. Don't you? He answered, yes, yes. He thought, Saturday, no day like it. Even class on Saturday was not as bad as on other days. Yes, he compared what? He comparing the remaining days of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday with whatever the classes takes place in 6 to 5 days. In the 6th day of Saturday, what kind of classes is going to takes place? He going to compare. Was not as bad as on other days, and everyone, including the teacher, seemed happier with the prospect of the evening and the morrow. Evening of the morrow. Prospect means that is a possibility or likelihood. Andre here दूरदृष्टि. What kind of thoughts is there in the mind of not only the student but also the teacher when they are engaging in the classroom at the time of Saturday. For him, it was mainly the evening and fun at home with his mother. He had lost his father. On other days, there was always homework to do and a dinner to prepare. But on Saturday, the both were free. Yes. The child thought that from Monday to Friday, there is a homework, there is a sum of pressures, or to prepare dinner. Not only the student but also the mother. Mother want to prepare not only the food but also for mother spend some time with the child about their studies. Maybe not only the mother but also father. But here the narrator of this story, the child, was a strange one, as well as he had only the mother, not father. ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ತಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಮಗು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಶನಿವಾರನೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಶನಿವಾರ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಮನೆಯ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ತನಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುಗಳಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ಆ ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ರೈಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾವಿನ್ ಅವರು. ಆನ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಡು ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್. ಅದು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗುವಿನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ದ ಬೋತ್ ವರ್ ಫ್ರೀ. He did only a little of the homework and his mother finished the cooking early. Saturday evening meant a lot to him, and then there was of course the matinee on Sunday about the only excitement of a rather quiet day. Quiet day. Quiet day. Yes. After not only the evening of Saturday but also Sunday, what kind of activities, what kind of days they want to spend is there the time there in Saturday and Sunday. That kind of a feelings is there in the mind of student. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ನಿ ಶೋ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅವರು ಟಿವಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಆಟವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅವಾಗ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಲೋಕನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುಗಳಿಂದ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ relationship that every child want to spend some time with the parents with the free, but present scenario it's not possible. Everyone is going to busy with their works. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಮಗು ಯಾವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮಗು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಸಿಇಒರು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಗು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ಸುಕತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ತಾಯಿಯ ನಡುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಮಗು ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಮಗು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. In next class we are going to discuss about when he came to home, the child came to home, how he going to express his view about Saturday and Sunday with his family. We are going to discuss in a next class. Thank you.